The camera industry has the secret. For years, they've been selling us the same recycled tech rat in a new plastic shell. But today, everything changes. Imagine a device so small fits in the palm of your hand, yet so powerful it makes casual singing arrays look like overpriced toys from the bygone era. We are standing at the edge of the revolution in patent creation. This isn't just about a new gadget. It's about the death of the amateur look forever. If you've ever felt the frustration of a shaky shot, the pain of a ruined low-light memory, or the sheer weight of carrying a heavy backpack full of gear, closely. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 has arrived, about to rewrite every rule in the book. Think back to how we used to capture life. We had two choices: the convenience of a smartphone with a tiny, struggly sensor, or the quality of a massive DSLR or arcade gym membership just to carry around. For a long time, there was no middle ground. Then came the Pocket series. It was a whisper of what was possible. But the Pocket 4? This is the scream. This is the fulfillment of a promise made years ago. In this video, we are going to peel back the layers of this engineering marvel. We aren't just talking about megapixels and frame rates, though those are mind-blowing. We are talking about the soul of storytelling. We are talking about the freedom to walk into the dark and see what others can't. We are talking about the 1-inch sensor evolved, the 6K resolution leap, and the AI-driven stabilization that feels more like magic than math. If you are a creator and market today, the competition is fierce. Everyone has a phone. Everyone is trying to be the next egg thing. To stand out, you need an edge. You need something that gives your footage that expensive look without the expensive price tag or the logistical nightmare. The Pocket 4 is that edge. It's the tool that turns a simple walk through Central Park into a cinematic journey. It's the device that captures the neon lights of Las Vegas without the grainy noise that plagues every other small camera. But why now? Why did DJI wait? Because they weren't just building a camera. They were building an ecosystem. Let's talk about the heart of the beast. The sensor. For years, the 1-inch sensor was the gold standard for compact quality. But DJI didn't just put a 1-inch sensor in here and call it a day. They re-engineered the architecture. With 14 sockets of dynamic range, the Pocket 4 sees light the way the human eye does, and stands the subtle transition from the bright, burning sun in the background to the soft shadows on the subject's face. No more blown-out skies. No more pitch-black silhouettes. Just pure, unadulterated reality captured in 10-bit D-Log. This means when you sit down to edit, you have the flexibility of a Hollywood colorist. It can pull detail out of the shadows that you didn't know was there. But wait, there's a catch, or so you think. Usually, more power means more heat. The Pocket 4 features a revolutionary internal cooling system that allows for unlimited 4K recording. No more overheating warnings in the middle of a once-in-a-lifetime moment. Whether you're filming a 2-hour podcast or a day-long hike in the Grand Canyon, this device stays cool, calm, and collected. And then there's the audio. Most cameras treat audio as an afterthought. Not the Pocket 4. With its new 4-channel